Hey, my divas, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I want to share with you my favorite dehydrators and primers. So, I'm going to share with you why I like these specific primers and dehydrators and what I don't like about some of them. So I'm going to start with the one that I use the most, which is this one here, the Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator. I love this dehydrator. It's perfect. My nails were not staying on in the past because of course my prep wasn't the best, but I finally figured it out. And if you'd like to see a tutorial video on how I prep my nails, just leave it in the comments below. But these actually came as a set together, both the nail primer and the nail prep. And this primer actually has acid, so it's not acid free. It is an acid primer, which I feel is the key to keeping your nails on. If you get a non-acid primer, I think that might have been the problem I was having in the past, the reason why my nails were popping off the next day. So this is a very good deal. You get these huge 20 milliliter bottles each of nail prep and nail primer. And this was only like $10 for both of them. So I think they've went up a little bit on the price, but it's still a great deal because it really works. So that's my favorite. Next in line is the Mortivan Nail Prep Dehydrator and Extra Strength Primer. And the reason why I actually ordered both of these, the Model 1s and the Mortivan, because I have the Mortivan Polygel. And I don't want to make the mistake again of mixing brands too much. There are some brands you can mix, like you can use like a different top coat and base coat and then use a separate type of polygel or a separate type of nail polish. But I was mixing brands like crazy, and that was one of the big reasons why my products weren't staying on my fingers. The first big reason was my prep was off, and the next big reason was I was not using the same line of products for pretty much my whole nail system because some products do not, play well with other products. So that was a big issue. And plus, a big issue with my gel not staying on was my lamp. I had a very low wattage lamp. So we'll get into all of that in another video. If you would like to request a specific video, just let me know. So let me know in the comments. So this nail dehydrator is amazing also. But this extra strength primer is also, I believe it also has acid. It also has acid because you can smell it. If your primer smells like a nail shop, it has acid in it, okay? All the primers that I was getting from Sally Beauty and Walmart and Walgreens and all these other different places, they didn't have a scent to them. So they were non-acid. You need some acid in your life to get these nails to stay on. I'm just saying. And last but not least, this is the Dehydrator and Bonder or Primer from IBD. You can get this from Sally Beauty or you can get it off of Amazon, but it's super, super expensive. This is the first thing I ever got because I didn't know anything about doing my nails. So I was like, okay, IBD, it's expensive, so it should work. No, the gel primer is actually a UV gel, so you have to actually cure this before you start putting your binder. I'm sorry, excuse me, your, what do you call it? This is like a base coat. It's a base coat and a primer mixed together, and it says it is non-acid primer. So let me see. Let me let you see if you can. Here you go. Non-acid primer for use with any UV gel and acrylic. Strong adhesion, long lasting. So this is non-acid. it did not help my nails stay on. My nails was popping off the next day. Of course, again, I'm going to reiterate, it was because my prep was off and my lamp wasn't strong enough. But I don't like this set because of the price, number one. And number two, it's just, I don't think it's the best thing out there. Honestly, these other two sets here, I feel that they are much better than that because of the price, and they work. So you want to get what, what is best for your bank, how to save your coins. You want to get the best value out of whatever products you're getting. So that's why I'm like, why go and spend all this money on something when you have something that's half the price that works just as good or even better? So that's the reason why I prefer this one, number one, the Model Ones. This is my second favorite, the Mordovan, and the IBD is my least favorite. So I will leave links in the description box to all of these products. They will be Amazon affiliate links, and you can run over and get you a nail prep or a nail primer in a hurry because they're game changers. If you're having problems with lifting and your nails popping off, if you're not using a dehydrator and a primer, you got to jump on it. So please check out the playlist right here if you would like to see more reviews and tips and tricks. And I will see you on the next episode. See you later, my divas. Stay beautiful.